How to fix Facebook enable to log in. Please check your internet problem on your Facebook account. Today guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First, you will just open settings of your phone, then you will go directly to uh, apps or applications, and on apps or applications you will scroll down and search for Facebook, and when you found Facebook, just open it like this and go to storage, and on storage go to clear data, then click OK, and now your problem will solve. So that's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.